Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a peek inside of the new dashboard in Canva. It's a glow up and they revealed this during the Canva Create event, and it is going to take a little bit of getting used to. I have heard different feedback. Some really love it, some are not loving some things about it, but this is all, I'm sure, once they get more feedback, there's going to be changes. I don't think what we see right now is totally set in stone. But with that said, let's take a look. So this is the new look. I'm going to move this over right here. So when you open it up, it has a nice cleaner look, which I like about it. It doesn't have, so much stuff that we really weren't using. It was just kind of taking up space. And right away, it shows all your recent designs here, and it has these options here at the top, kind of like a shortcut menu, so you can get into whatever kind of project you want to create. And then here on the side, it has the home button, projects, templates, your brand kits, apps, and if you're a creator like myself, then you'll have that menu there. Now, what is different, the create a design button, it's like things are swapped. Like a lot of things are on different sides than they were before. So the button to create a design is over here. You can star certain things. So I starred some of the documents that have the latest updates, and I'll do a separate video that shows some of those. And then here it'll show your recent designs. So it is more, I think, easier as far as the home page to see and get to what you need to find. So I do like that. Now, if I click on a design here, let's just pick this one here. And you'll see it opens it up, but it doesn't open it up into the editing window yet. So this gives you a chance to look at it real quick and say, okay, yeah, this is the document I want to edit. And then you click on it, and then it opens up your file, and you'll now see the editing menu here. So as you can see right away, it just has a cleaner look, right? You just feel like you have more space to work with, basically. Just, I'd say, I guess, less cluttered would be a good way to put it. So you have all your options here. So this is different too, is when you hover over something on the menu, then that menu is going to come up. So you could see designs, but then when you leave it, it's going to go away. So it doesn't just stay there. Now elements, so you could look here, go through all your elements, text, brand kits, uploads, well, whatever your uploads are, you can draw your projects, and then apps here. Okay, so that is pretty much the same. It's just that the way it opens up is a little bit different. What's really changed is when you're actually editing things, because as you notice now, you don't see like this bar up here, or a toolbar for editing. Now it's when you click into an element that you see the edit or the toolbar come up. So I'm going to click on the text, and here now you'll see the text menu or options for this to come up. So that is different. And you have this little arrow button if there's something that you want to do but you don't see it here. So you can click that button, move my head. Okay. And then you can look here and see if there's something else you want to do, like maybe effects. You want to look at those, position, copy style, all of those things. And then you can just close that. And then it'll just have your toolbar here. And then when you unclick that, the toolbar goes away. All right, now I'm going to click on an image, and same thing here. You'll see the corresponding toolbar that goes with images pop up here. It's like a floating bar. So then you can click on edit, and you can choose what you want to do. You know, if you want to change the color, you want to animate it, and then click the right arrow. And then this is where your options are going to come up, like all the Magic Studio options, if you want to make any adjustments, and so on. This menu is normally on the left side, so that's different too. One of the things that is kind of, I guess, not usually when I would click on a photo, maybe I want to find some more photos that are similar to it, I would see a button or right up here where I could look at the info on that image and then see things that are similar to it. Now, in order to get to that, I have to click this arrow button to the right. I have to go all the way down and here click on info. So if there was a collection, then sometimes I click on collection to find similar photos, or sometimes I just want to see more that are similar. So now I can see more that are similar, and then these photos pop up. See how these are all similar to this photo. So that's one thing that I'm not crazy about, is having to click on things a little more in order to find them. But, you know, hopefully that's something that will improve with time. So these are just some ideas, just to give you an idea. I was looking for like a shape that maybe I could. Okay, so here's a shape. So again, toolbar pops open for shapes. And if there's text, you can change the text in the box. And anytime you want to see all the options, you click that little arrow button to the right, and then you can look through this sidebar menu. So that is it in a nutshell of the new dashboard. I'd love to know what you think about it, what you love, what you don't maybe love so much, what you'd like to see. And that's all I'm going to do on this video. There's a lot of new updates that have started already and some that will be upcoming. So I'll do some separate videos on those. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.